Hello. Wet weather over the last few days has brought flooding in some locations. It does look like the next few days will bring something of a respite as this area of low pressure begins to slide away eastwards. But with this low pressure clearing eastwards, we also see a change in wind direction. The wind starts to come in from the northeast during Wednesday, and that will pull some slightly colder air southwards across the UK. Certainly nothing exceptional for this point in December, but a chillier feel to the weather on Wednesday. Across England and Wales, quite a lot of clouds, still some showery rain, but a bit of brightness developing, some sunshine across southwest England, Wales into northwest England. And for Northern Ireland and Scotland, actually Wednesday looks like a mostly dry and mostly sunny day, but a chilly one. 4 degrees for Aberdeen, 5 degrees for Glasgow. It may be that parts of southwest England and the Channel Islands get into double digits. Now we've got a slice of clear skies that'll be moving eastwards during Wednesday nights, and see from the blue colours here, that would allow for a touch of frost, but only briefly, because as this band of cloud and rain pushes in from the west, it ushers in a return of milder westerly winds. So through Thursday, this band of cloud and increasingly patchy rain clearing eastwards across England. For Wales, for Northern Ireland, for Scotland, we get into some sunshine, just a few showers up towards the northwest. It is going to be windy for a time in the north of Scotland. Could see gales here for a time, but milder air starting to make its presence felt out towards the west. That's a process that continues on into Friday. We see this quite weak frontal system pushing its way in towards Northern Ireland, parts of Scotland, northwest England. That'll bring more cloud, a bit of showery rain. In fact, generally, I think it will turn quite cloudy and maybe quite murky in places as well through the day on Friday. Best of the sunshine towards the southeast corner, but that's where we'll have the lowest of the temperatures. Out west with extra cloud, with some rain, it is going to start to feel milder. Now, as we head into the weekend, high pressure builds strongly across the south of the UK. Frontal systems up towards the north, bringing the chance for some outbreaks of rain. It's going to be windy, but those winds coming from the south or the southwest, that means it will feel really rather mild through the weekend. So a lot of cloud around on Saturday, some misty, murky conditions. It's going to be quite breezy, quite windy up to the northwest, where we will see some outbreaks of rain in northwestern parts of Scotland. Maybe the odd spot of drizzle for other coasts and hills in the west, but double-digit temperatures for just about all of us, maybe 13 or 14 if it brightens up in the northeast of Scotland. And then into Sunday, similar sort of day really, large areas of cloud, some mist and murk. There may be some sunshine, equally some rain up towards the far northwest, and those temperatures generally ranging between 9 and 12, maybe 13 degrees Celsius. As we head into next week, it looks like we'll see a frontal system pushing in from the west. That's going to bring some outbreaks of rain, and then perhaps a more active front moving southeastwards. And behind that, we change the wind direction again. We get into more of a northwesterly wind, and that will introduce some colder air across the UK. There could be some winteriness in the showers in this northwesterly airstream. Just quite how long that spell of colder weather will last is open to a degree of uncertainty. But we can sum next week up like this. At this stage, it looks like we'll see spells of rain. It will often be quite windy, but it will turn a bit colder for a time, and that brings the chance for some wintry showers up over high ground. That's how it's looking for the week ahead. Bye for now.